Summer is coming, and when that heat starts radiating off the pavement, your ducted split system is the only thing standing between you and a very miserable night. I spent my early years as a nuclear power electrician making sure critical systems didn't fail under pressure. For the last 17 years, I've applied that same no-fail mindset to residential HVAC. You don't want a sales pitch. You want the technical truth from someone who has actually turned a wrench on these units. Today, we're looking at a basic tier showdown between the Frigidaire FSA4BE and the York YC3. When we talk about the build, we're looking at how well that outdoor unit can survive the real world. The Frigidaire FSA4BE comes with a full louvered coil guard. In my book, that's the gold standard. It's a solid steel barrier that keeps hail, debris, and the neighbor's dog away from those sensitive aluminum fins. Now, the York YC3 doesn't use a wire guard, but it utilizes slotted panels for protection. While it is certainly better than an open wire cage, those slotted panels still leave more of the coil surface exposed to physical damage compared to a true louvered design. From a field-tested perspective, the Frigidaire cabinet is simply built like a tank, and it runs quieter too, clocking in at 73 decibels compared to the York's 76. Moving into the efficiency and the electrical guts of these machines, the numbers tell the story. The Frigidaire FSA4BE is pulling a 14.3 SEER2 rating, while the York YC3 is sitting at 13.4 SEER2. Both of these units are manufactured right here in the USA and use single-stage compressors. As a former nuke electrician, let me tell you what that means for your electrical panel. Every time these units kick on, they hit the grid with a massive inrush current, what we call locked rotor amps. There's no soft start or variable speed tech here. It's a full tilt slam on the contactor. That repetitive stress eventually wears on your capacitors and motor windings. The Frigidaire's slightly higher efficiency means it's doing a bit more work with the same amount of juice, but they both share that old school rugged simplicity. Let's talk money. For the Frigidaire FSA4BE, you're looking at an average equipment price of around $2,700 for the condenser, with an installed price usually landing between $5,500 and $7,500. The York YC3 is the budget player here, with the unit itself costing about $2,000 and the installed price averaging between $4,200 and $6,500. York is definitely the cheaper date, and for a lot of homeowners, that $1,200 savings at the start is hard to ignore. But before you reach for your checkbook, remember that the best equipment in the world won't last 3 seasons if you don't maintain it. Wash those coils every spring and change your filters like your life depends on it. Airflow is the lifeblood of these systems, and once you restrict it, you're just asking for a major repair bill, regardless of the brand. The real differentiator is the warranty battle. Both brands offer the standard 10-year parts and compressor protection, but Frigidaire brings the heat with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just send you a new part. They give you an entirely new outdoor unit. York offers exactly 0 years for unit replacement in this category. That's a massive gap in peace of mind. The verdict is simple. While the York YC3 is a decent entry-level unit that saves you some cash up front, the Frigidaire FSA4BE is the superior machine. With a better build quality, higher efficiency, and a 10-year replacement warranty that York can't touch, Frigidaire is the winner for any homeowner looking for long-term value. Don't just take the low bid, look at the engineering. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website.